Hello there, and welcome. Have you ever dreamt of a life where your office isn't confined by four walls? A life where work happens on your terms from anywhere in the world that inspires you? A sun-drenched cafe in Lisbon, a quiet cabin nestled in the mountains, or perhaps just the comfort of your own home. For a long time, this felt like a distant fantasy, reserved for a select few. But today, I want to show you how this dream is becoming a tangible reality for more and more people, thanks to some incredible new tools. Imagine this. Your morning starts not with a stressful commute, but with a fresh cup of coffee and a breathtaking view. You open your laptop, and instead of a mountain of daunting tasks, you see a world of creative possibility. This is the new landscape of work, sculpted by the power of artificial intelligence. It's not about robots taking over. It's about tools that amplify our own creativity and efficiency, allowing us to achieve more in less time. Let's say you're a writer. You have a brilliant idea for an article, but you're stuck on the opening paragraph. In the past, this might have meant hours of staring at a blank screen. Now, you can turn to an AI writing assistant. You give it your core idea, a few key points, and in seconds, it generates several engaging introductions for you to choose from, adapt, and build upon. It's like having a brainstorming partner on demand, one that never runs out of ideas. This isn't about replacing your voice. It's about finding it faster. Or perhaps you're a small business owner needing to create some eye-catching social media posts. You don't have the budget for a graphic designer or the time to learn complex software. With AI image generators, you simply describe the image you envision. A minimalist photo of a ceramic mug on a wooden desk with soft morning light. And just like that, a stunning, professional-quality image appears, ready to be used. You can tweak the style, the colors, the composition, all with simple text commands. It's turning your imagination directly into visual art. Now let's talk about the practical side of things. How does this freedom translate into a sustainable living? The beauty of these AI-powered skills is that they are in high demand. Businesses all over the world need content, they need marketing materials, they need creative solutions. By mastering these tools, you can offer your services as a freelancer or a consultant. You could be managing social media for a brand in Australia, writing blog posts for a tech startup in Berlin, and designing logos for a local shop in your hometown, all from your single laptop. And the best part? The satisfaction of seeing your work come to life and the rewards that follow. That little notification on your phone, a payment received, isn't just a number. It's a confirmation. It's the sound of your freedom, the result of your skill and your intelligent use of the tools available. Each one represents a project completed, a client satisfied, and another step towards building the life you've always wanted. It's a quiet, powerful validation of this new way of working. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires learning, practice, and a genuine passion for what you do. But the barrier to entry has never been lower. The tools are accessible, many of them even free to start with. The knowledge is out there, in communities and tutorials, waiting to be discovered. It's about shifting your mindset from working harder to working smarter. It's about reclaiming your time, your creativity, and your life. So, as we finish our time together, I want to leave you with a thought. The world is changing rapidly, and with it, the nature of work. You have an opportunity right now to be at the forefront of this change. To build a career that is not only financially rewarding, but also deeply fulfilling and flexible. The tools are in your hands. The world is your office. The only question left is, where will you begin? Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your journey.